In this video, we will see how to write data to the file. We have already seen 3-4 ways to read data in Java 8. Now we will see how to write data into a file. So for example, our file is available on desktop, myfile.txt, and just I want to write data inside the file. So I'll just delete it, and here we have to use files dot write. So we will use files dot write method, and using this method we can write our data. So first one is paths, so I'll write paths dot get, and here we can write our path where actual file is available. Then second argument that we need to pass is content. So I'll say hi good morning dot get bytes. So basically we need to pass our string into a bytes, and then we have to pass. So maybe for this we can create one string here. I'll say a string data equal to, and then I'll pass this one here, and we can simply say data dot get bytes. And then third parameter that we need to pass is a standard character set. Standard, let me write here a standard open option. Yes, a standard open option dot, here we can say create and save. So now in this way we can, so if we use create, right, create a new file, if it does not exist, this option will be ignored if create new option is also set. So let's see what happens in that case. Save it, and then we can run our file. Although it will not print anything since we have only written to the file. So we will go to desktop and then open it, and we'll see. So here it is saying hi good morning. So hi good morning is printed here, and rest other thing was already available in this file. So if your file is new, you can directly write into the file using files.write get paths and then data. After that you have to write a standard option create, and using that you can do. Although we have append also, so it will append data to the file also. So if I will write normally append dot append, in this case what will happen, whatever data we already have, it will go and append in that data. Let's run it again, and it will, let's open it, and here you can see hi good morning is appended in that data. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next.